Hey, Steve Basic Architect. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the Midwest. We're out here in the garage. This is one of our current projects under construction. I come out here every so often, so I figured while I'm out here, we'll do a tour, basement tour you've probably already seen. We have the first floor, second floor, and then we'll take a walk around the exterior. So this is our first floor tour. Obviously, I'm standing in the garage. We have two garage doors here. It is only a two-car garage. We have some storage space here. It's an oversized garage, but one of the things about this property is we have a guest house. It has a two-car garage, and we're also going to have an accessory building out on the property. So the homeowners really didn't need a lot of storage space, nor do they need a lot of car parking here. So we'll have that in that accessory space. This was basically designed so that it handled the two primary cars. So basically our garage, this has a radiant floor, it's fully insulated. You can see our house is skinned with Zip R6. I come in here, this is the mud room. We have the primary laundry room here. We also have a laundry room up above here to service the bedrooms. But this is the primary laundry room. This is one of two staircases. This is the utility staircase that's going to go up and be able to get you up to the second floor via the mud room. We have a whole bunch of built-ins and cubbies that are going to come in here. We have a door out to that front porch there. We have some storage closets here. And then as we come around the corner, we'll have a choice to walk through the pantry and get to the kitchen, living room, main space. We also have the elevator there, or we can move on this way and that will take us to the front entryway. So we'll go that way, but also around the corner under that stair is a back stair that takes you down, directly down into one of the utility spaces below this floor. So our elevator shaft, as we come through here just outside of the mud room, we have the powder room. So that's basically the public bath on the first floor here. I do apologize, we got a lot happening today. These guys are going. We have an entry closet here. We have our front door here, and then basically our living room here with a fireplace, and of course that beautiful turret around on the corner of the house. As we come in the entryway, we have our primary staircase that takes you up to the second floor, so we'll have the decorative handrail and such there. And then as we breach this opening, we have a casual dining space here. And this one has a very large, on the order of about a 14-foot lift and slide door. We'll have some built-ins flanking that window, coffered ceiling. Like I said, casual space. The space in the middle here is dedicated all to the kitchen here, and then we have a large pantry right behind it there. And then the kitchen basically extends out to about here. And then everything on this side is the family room. We have our vaulted ceiling up above. We have a wood burning insert that's actually coming next week that's prefabricated. It gets put in there. The whole chimney will have a stone wrap around that prefabricated fireplace. And then of course we have this, which is the formal dining room. It's probably one of my favorite rooms in the house. The shape, I absolutely love the mitered corners, but just the amount of glass that's in this space makes it a pretty spectacular space. And like I said, the kitchen cabinetry comes all the way down here, so we'll have a little buffet area here that separates the kitchen from that space. Making our way back through here, this is where we had that earlier choice. We chose to go down there. We'll basically have some built-in cabinets here that service as more of a butler pantry. And then in here, this is what I call the Costco pantry. It's basically a walk-in closet that's dedicated to the kitchen. So we'll have shelves down both sides. We have a second refrigerator and freezer in here. All the comforts of home. So anyways, I'm Steve Basic Architect. We are somewhere in the Midwest. That's our first floor tour. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna take a tour of that second floor. So until next time, long live our buildings.